Day 45. Yesterday, you built a consolidator into your algorithm. Today, you're going to learn how to move beyond trading a fixed list of assets. So far, your algorithm has known exactly which symbols to trade from the start, but some strategies need to scan the entire market and pick assets dynamically. There is a method in QuantConnect built for exactly that. So, what is AddUniverse? AddUniverse is a method that lets your algorithm scan a broad set of assets on a schedule and select a subset to trade based on rules you define, instead of hard-coding a fixed list of symbols. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have the weekly shortlist, on the right AddUniverse. Imagine a talent scout who works for a sports team. Every week they review hundreds of players across the league. They do not sign everyone. They apply a filter, age, position, recent performance, and produce a shortlist of 10. That shortlist changes week to week depending on who meets the criteria. The weekly shortlist here says, do not commit to specific names in advance, let the filter decide. AddUniverse works exactly the same way. On a schedule you define, QuantConnect runs your selection function across a large pool of assets, which in this case is, instead of trading AAPL and MSFT forever, your algorithm picks the top 20 by volume every day and trades whatever makes the cut. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of AddUniverse in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. AddUniverse lets your algorithm trade a different set of assets each day based on rules, true or false. And the correct answer is true. That is exactly the point. The universe is selected dynamically on a schedule. The assets your algorithm trades can change every time the selection runs.